You are going to love the 2024 TrailBlazer. The Chevrolet TrailBlazer is a stylish crossover with plenty of upside on the inside as well. Safety, comfort, features, and style are all found in abundance with the TrailBlazer. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, security system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.